Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your PayPal data. Once you're inside PayPal, guys, simply click the settings gear in the upper right hand side. And from here, you want to click on data and privacy. Now, you want to scroll down, you'll find a section that says manage your data. You have the option to download your data. Now, once you request it, you'll have the option that available to you that says ready for download. Your request is ready, right? So how do you go about doing that? Click on that section here, guys, and from here you can choose how you want to download your data, right? So you can choose if you want to download it in a PDF file, or you can do PDF and JSON, or a editable format, which is a JSON format, right? So you can go ahead and you can just quickly submit the request. Then once you do that, right, the request will be submitted. As you can see here, it will go through the process of getting verification. So I will go ahead and choose option so that it sends it to my mobile real quick. I'll receive a number to my phone real quick, and then I'm going to just quickly enter that number here. So let me go ahead and enter the number that was given to me, then go ahead and submit, and you will see that it says you're all set, right? And you just say wait a second, and you can just simply click and done right here. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, as you see, I already made a request. So what's going to happen is you want to go back to the section where it says view your request. It says something news there. You can click on that, and here you will find all of your requests. If you have only one request, as you saw before, you'll have the option to download. Otherwise, it will show the new request that you have made, right? And once it is ready, you'll have the option to download. Just simply click the button where it says ready to download. You click on that, and you'll be able to see the data, and you can easily go ahead and download this. So here you have the information here, which is the messages, guys, and it shows all the information here. And if you scroll down to the bottom, it shows your documents in the PDF format. As you can see, it says some additional information here that is in an Excel and so forth. So you can simply go ahead and download whatever you want. So let's say I want to download this information here, which is personal data. I can click on that, and you will see right here that it quickly downloads that file for me. Now, I'm not going to go into the details here, but you see that I have the personal data PDF file, and that's how it will look for you once you request to download your data. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.